Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
Na ụmụnna ndị ọya dịrị na mma enwe ihe na-emezi kịta na-aghọtazi ife atụ enwezi ife m na-aghọta ịgwa gị eziokwu enweghị ife m na-aghọta ndị bụ onye Igbo na-ege m ntị enwezi ife m na-aghọta na dis Nigeria anyị nọ n'ime ya kedu ihe ebe ndị Igbo na ngwaahịa ha mere ndị ala kedu ihe ndị Igbo na ngwa afịafa mere ndị anọ na Lagos everywhere a na-agba ahịa ndị Igbo ọkụ ahịa worth billions of naira, billions of dollars a na-amụ ya ọkụ kedu ihe enwe video m post enwe video ya watch kịta m na-eme gala ka watch nke a kịta na-eme tata bụ Monday 3rd. Today is Monday. What's today's date? Is it 3rd? Yes, 3rd April. Today, Monday. Ka people Jerafia na Akorode warehouse. After business, emechara on Saturday. Everybody did business clean, no announcement, nothing. We went home peacefully. Then coming the next day, coming today being Monday. Oh, that everywhere they locked. Everywhere is locked. Then they lock the government. For what reason? Nothing. On that book, usually they will come and lock Akorode warehouse. The task force, they manage the chairman, everybody will contribute. The other one, they contribute every individual in the market, 2,500 who contributed and gave to them. Alright? They did it again, the same. They have done it up to 4 times. There was even a time they locked it for straight 5 days. Nobody did business. Everybody sat at home. For a reason, nobody can tell. Just that if they need money, they will come and lock a warehouse. This one, they did not burn it. Other ones, they are burning warehouses, shops, markets in this Lagos. This one, they did not burn it. Thank God they did not burn it. They locked it. Why are they maltreating Igbos? Why are they behaving this way towards Igbos? Watch this video. Just look at where people took their birth after the expenses on Sunday or Monday. For people that has family after everything, hoping to come to market today or Monday to recover, we met a locked key. Everybody is moving around, looming around in the streets. No one to enter to their marketplace and do business because of some few people and their wickedness towards Igbos. God will just watch this video. Maybe I don't talk too much. Watch the video. It's a video. It's a video. As I know, this is that. Last time they did it, they paid the money, they came again. Morning. So this is the chairman of Akorode. These are the Akorode warehouse officials, the chairman and the union. This is Akorode warehouse. Akorode warehouse where Igbos are doing their business. This is making it the third time they have locked it. The other one, the ones I remember, this recently they have locked it for 4 days, and people have sat at home, no business, nothing. Today again they lock it now on Monday. All right. This is Monday, early Monday morning. People came for business. They lock everywhere. Yeah, it's Akorode warehouse. That is the latest development. Hey, good morning. I don't know. That's that's how it be. Then today is not the first time they are doing it. I'm not sure. Even if they open it, they took a time. They have run everything, every appointment. I don't know. That's how they do it. No announcement. That's what we see it. All right. There was business here on Saturday, and everybody went home peacefully. There was nothing like a announcement. Nobody announced. So today, Monday, we came out and everywhere was locked. Okay. Everywhere is locked with key. Nobody can go in. That's the case in our Akorode warehouse in Ijesha here. Ijesha is so rare. That's what Igbos are seeing. Alright, this is Igbo dominated market. Thank God they did not burn it fire, they did not set it ablaze. This one is just locking. Some other people, they set their business areas on fire, they set it ablaze. This place is locked. Locked with chain. The whole business organization is being locked with key. How people do their business. It's being locked with key. We just woke up. No announcement on Saturday, nothing. People went home for weekend. After the Sunday, after the expenses on weekend, hoping to come on Monday to recover. We just come to meet a locked key on our business area. Okay? This is not the first time. This is not the second time. They have locked it for 4 days. For 5 good days. Honestly. For 5 good days, nobody did business. Nobody did anything. Today again, they are starting. Who knows when they will open it? Who knows? Nobody knows when they will open here. This is Sele Maitu Express Road. Okay, this is the express road. Sele Maitu Express, and here is Akorode warehouse. Igbo dominated market. That's what we see every time. This is not the first time. It's not the second time. It's not a routine.
You heard what this our brother said. Every time, this is not the first time, so they'll be passing through all this, but they are keeping it silent because they have no other option. After seeing all these things they pass through each passing day, it is so sad indeed. But my advice is for them to go and develop their land. My advice is for them not to put their head inside one basket, that is making that place their only source. They should try and extend their hands to the east so that when something like this happen, they can easily pack their goods and go to wherever their store is, instead of staying in one particular place and passing through all this every time. So my Kabbalistic people, please, I want to share this video, like and subscribe as I keep bringing you all the update. Thank you so much and bye bye.